Hey guys, my name is Noah. Today, as you may know, you may remember the Sons of Godzilla Lego Ninjago episodes I made, right? I'm planning to make episode 6 today. But as you may know, next week on Wednesday, next week on Wednesday, I will make, or maybe in 2 weeks, I will make Sons of Ninjago Sons of Godzilla Season 2. Yup, this is just a reminder, so I'm just reminding you guys that it's just a reminder. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. I'll make episode 6 and maybe episode 7 if I have time.